Hello there! You may call me Miss Introvert, and here on this channel we write, we edit, we learn, and we grow, and I am growing right along with you guys, so we're really all in the same boat. So let's just get this out of the way. I'm making a newsletter. Why? Because I'm an author and I want to connect with my audience before the release of my book. That's what it says? Okay. And I need your help. And don't worry, you get stuff out of it. Hence the newsletter. It's got a fun name and everything, and I'm really excited about the release, all of which we will go over in a moment. But first, as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like poetry, book plotting, character development, publishing, anything related to books and writing. We have it all here on this channel. If you find this video helpful, which is the usual content of my videos, right here I'm just announcing something, but if you like this video and you're excited about the newsletter, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite book genre is and why you can't get enough of it. My favorite right now in the summertime is horror books. I just love reading a good horror story in the summertime. As you know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you can send me poetry on my email list, which I already have, but now we're going to have a newsletter, and an email list and a newsletter are two different things, and I'll probably make a video explaining why there's differences in those two things, which will be helpful for you, and you can get a helpful video out of it, but right now I'm just announcing something, which is going to be an ordeal in and of itself. Not an ordeal, it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun! I'm tired. If you're interested in being a beta reader for my upcoming book, Before Red Fire, A Sorcerer Falls, there is a Google form in the description below that you can look through and answer all the questions, and we'll talk about you beta reading my book and helping me out in that way. If you want to, you don't have to. It's a really long book, but I would love the help because I just want it out now. But I want it to be good, and you guys make it good, okay? You guys make it good. I don't know. Let's get started. So we're not doing numbered points today because that's not really needed. If you follow me on my channel and you've been watching my videos, then you know that I usually do numbered points to keep things consistent. We're not doing that today. I'm just going to go over the newsletter as fast and as informative as I possibly can so you can get on with your day, but also look forward to it. It'll be like the bit of time before Christmas that you love when you're a kid, and maybe when you're an adult too. But when Christmas was like right around the corner and you literally checked around the corner like Amelia Bedelia and you were like, "Where are you, Christmas?" Wow, it's not Christmas yet. Maybe it is when you're watching this and the newsletter is already out. What if it's not out? It'll be out. Anyway, remember this part in my last Writer's Mind video? Roll film. MIA. You do know what MIA means. I think so. Miss Introvert Administration, is she running for best author? Don't worry, I know what it means. That had significance because the newsletter is called, drumroll, MIA. Doesn't mean missing in action. It stands for Miss Introvert Administration. Because I'm running for best author. Kidding, that's not even possible. But I am running to get my book published. Sprinting, actually, if we're going along with that metaphor. I'm very tired and this is taking a long time. I would love for you guys to be part of my audience. So come on over when I release it and we're gonna have good times together. As I mentioned, I am self-publishing my book, which means I need to make the audience. I don't have an agent looking out for me, and I don't have time to find one because 1, I'm impatient, and 2, I have no chill. We are doing number points, who knew? 3, I'm trying to jumpstart my career after college, which is also taking a frigging long time, and I want to move out of my parents' house, which they're amazing people and I love living with them, and I love living with my family and my dogs. Should I move out? No. No, I want to. But having a book published and an audience would just be so nice. I'm in the final stages of proofreading right now. English major, so I think I'm qualified to get away with that and make it look professional. And all of my beta readers have been troopers because this is a long frigging book. That's what it's gonna be on the description. Welcome to Before Red Fire. It's a long frigging book. I'm actually seriously considering splitting this into two because it's 500 pages and I'm worried about printing prices. Like I said, I just graduated college and I don't feel confident in what Amazon KDP is going to tell me about pricing. We can start with Kindle, but who's going to read a 500-page book on Kindle? Ignore my imposter syndrome. She's a... What I am in need now of are more book reviewers. That's where you come in. My heroes! Whenever this book comes out, and whenever I'm brave enough to actually show you guys a release date, I mean whenever I announce the release date, I'm a professional human. Hopefully after this newsletter gains some traction, you guys, those of you in the pool of subscribers to this newsletter, will read my book, review it, post the reviews on Amazon, and hopefully they're good. Not in like the quality of your comments, but like you'll be happy with the book. You'll like it. This is my first book, so please be nice. If you have any critiques, voice them. Don't be mean. Or you can post that on Amazon for the world to see. Whatever works best for you. I'm a people-pleasing professional human. Very chaotic author. You won't just be reviewing it. You'll be getting stuff. Like I said before, stuff. And everyone loves getting stuff. I love getting stuff. Look at all my stuff that I got. I should become minimalist. But it's like Christmas. Remember the Christmas metaphor? That has a reason. So what are you getting out of all of this? I'll tell you right now. So many surprises. You'll get early releases of my chapters from this upcoming book. Early book releases, so you'll get the book before everybody else does. You'll get unreleased short stories, sneak peeks to my projects, like upcoming books with different genres and different characters, and writing help from bonus blog content. And all of this, except for the blog content, will be fictional, because my brain refuses to write about this world because it's been wired to write about different worlds. I exhaust myself, and it's all for my book-loving, writing-loving audience. So I encourage you to subscribe when it comes out. I'll be posting a similar announcement to this on TikTok, so we will see how it goes. And we'll figure it out together as we go. That's what I want this to be about. I want this newsletter and this whole book release not to be about me, even though I'm the author and I made all of it. But like I said, you guys make it better. You guys are the beta readers. You guys are the other eyes that are looking at the book. Like we talk about in my editing videos and in my writing videos, the writer is in charge of the process, but they also know very well that they're not going to catch all the errors. They're not going to catch all the developmental inconsistencies. So that is where you guys come in, and you guys are amazing at that. I've worked with some of you before, and whether you're from my YouTube audience or my TikTok audience or my Instagram audience, you all are so knowledgeable and so creative, and you add so much to the book, which is why you'll be in my acknowledgements, obviously. This newsletter will also have content about what it's like to be an introvert in the writing world. When I have time to write it, because like I said before, I'm a very busy girl, but it'll also be a place where all you introverts can come. Extroverts are welcome too. And not only will you help me become a successful author, or a mediocre indie author that only you guys know about, you'll be learning to get better at getting lost in worlds of your choosing. Because who in their right mind would want to be in the real world? I know I don't. It's getting worse and worse every day. But you know what? That's life, and we're all learning how to face it, and that's cheesy. So come on and face it with me by blatantly ignoring it, pretending it doesn't exist. So that is my newsletter announcement. Thank you for tuning in. I really love you all, and I will have a link posted on where you can sign up for it in the description.
Hi, it's me editing and listening to the Bee and Puppy Cat soundtrack from Netflix while it's raining outside and my fairy lights are on. This is the height of introvert luxury. Anyway, I wanted to tell you guys how you can subscribe to my newsletter. So, there is a Google form that will be linked in the description of this video, and it is the first step to subscribing to my newsletter. I'll have all of your emails pooled together, and I will add them to the list if you so choose to fill out the form. And there's also a little box for any questions or comments or concerns. So feel free to take a look at that. And yeah, that's my little announcement. Anyway,
Once again, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what your least favorite genre of books is. Why do you not like it that much? Or maybe you have like least favorite tropes. Comment that down below, we'll have a discussion. Again, if you want your poetry read, subscribe to my email list and I'll get it read for you and I'll give you some encouragement and hopefully build your confidence as a poet. And thank you for watching. Stay basic. Okay, bye!